Wait. Hello! Magic! Today... Hi! Today is very exciting. It's the day before Bella's birthday, which means it's the 11th of November. And what's happening today?
I'm getting an undercut.
Da da da!
It's happening, people.
Yeah, it's actually been a really long time coming. Bella has really incredibly thick hair.
I'll make it do a turn.
Bella has really thick hair and a lot of it, and it's a pain, right? It falls down, it's hot.
I get like that, girls, you'll know, and guys with long hair. This like, all this, just, yeah, and at work, I work with children, I'm moving all the time, it's a lot of hair, can't deal with it, I'm over it, it's going. I'm doing the shave, guys.
It's very exciting.
Done a lot of research.
Here's some inspiration photos that Bella found that we're sort of basing this off on.
Have fun editing.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So we're just gonna do that. That's
Yeah.
just something we're doing on our time off.
I'm doing it. I'm not a professional hairdresser. I've watched a couple of tutorials, but it doesn't look so hard.
Famous last words.
So, you know. Oh, what have we... Oh, here's the...
We got them off Amazon, the clippers. They're really small and cute. Wait.
Really affordable. This is the box. But yeah, I'll link it below.
Let me show you.
And then this
Look
is a
how
tiny little...
cute it is.
It has like 1 AA battery, like
Basically
crazy.
the size of my hand.
Yeah. We've also got a couple of combs. And a couple of clips and stuff just to keep it all. Yeah.
Oh
They
my
were
God.
really affordable, but I did try it on my own hair a little bit. And it did work, so... You know.
I'm gonna give you that back.
Yeah.
Oh
So...
my God.
You'll be fine. Okay, I'm gonna start by sectioning. Okay. So I'm gonna take like a guesstimate up here just to get the majority of it out of the way, and then I'll go back in. So let's take a straight line from there.
I'll never catch you while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread butterflies?
Oh yes, of course.
So this clipper comes with the 3 different sized guard thingies. So I'm gonna use the biggest one.
Oh.
You sure?
Yeah, baby.
Chance to not.
Baby.
Should I cut off the majority of it?
Yeah, that'd be so
Oh
funny.
my god, I'm so scared. What? You're gonna like it, aren't you?
Baby, as long as you think I look cute,
But
it's
of
all
course,
good.
of course.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know. Wait, let me.
Going full on operatic now.
We should have like dyed it.
Oh God, no, we should.
Okay, ready?
No. Okay, yeah, I am ready. Just do it. Just do it.
Yeah?
Shit.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, it looks so cute. Look. Okay, let's just get.
Oh my God. I'm freaking out.
You can't freak out now. You can't. Now is not the time to freak out.
Look at my beautiful hair.
No. Like Anne Hathaway in Les Mis.
Yeah.
Oh my god, are you sad now?
No, I'm just in shock. Just handling
Ready?
the plait of my hair.
You know, it's so fun.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
So
I mean, the thing is, it's already done now, isn't it? So it's like...
it looks shit now.
No, it doesn't. Oh, well, no. Well, yeah, now it's a bit. But...
Okay, well, be careful.
Yeah. that's after the first one. We're gonna go up a little higher. This is how it looks now, and it's so exciting. It looks so cool.
I actually love it.
It feels so nice. I really like it.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, turn to the side. Oh, I love it. Okay,
Well,
cool.
so itchy.
Yeah, go have a shower.
So it's been 3 days. I'm actually.
Sorry. Shit.
Wow. Becca's
Go
just
ahead. Sorry.
just sorting things out in the back. It's been 3 days. I'm actually really happy with it. I'll do a little turn. I thought I wanted it a bit shorter, but actually seeing it when we filmed it, it's actually really short, so I'm actually really happy. I was considering maybe taking a bit more off, but actually I think I'll leave it for a bit. I don't want to get carried away and suddenly end up with half my head shaved off. That's not what I'm going for right now. I'm working on my buns because I want to like show it off, and normally my buns are quite far down, so I think this one's okay. I have a few bobby pins as well in, just so that it's all scraped back. Becca's gonna go ahead and shave like a little bit here as well, like at some point, just because she missed some of my baby hairs because she had like scraped everything up. So we just got to do that. I love it. I'm really, really happy with it. If you're considering getting an undercut, I would 100% recommend. It's really nice. It feels so much lighter. It might not look so much lighter when it's down, which I actually like because I can totally hide it when my hair's down, but it feels so much lighter. It's really nice to the back of my neck, like completely bare. It was a bit cold when I was outside, English weather. It's like great for it right now, so I have to wear a scarf, but apart from that, there's no downsides. So yeah, undercut, success. And it's a bit edgy, which I kind of like, and you know, it's an ode to the LGBT community, kind of, you know. I'm slowly winding my way in. If you want to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!